Hello and welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to share information about inverse formula in planning. If you are working on simple Excel or if you are from business background working on the integrated planning, I will show you some of the logic and how this inverse formula works in pretty simple way. Suppose I have three key figures here: price, quantity and amount, and we have three items. This is called as material. You can call it as TV, iPhone and cloth. Now amount is so we will give the formula for amount, and amount is equal to quantity multiplied with price. So that's the formula of amount. And here in the case, my amount is not input ready and my quantity and price is the input ready. So in this case, suppose for this first material TV, we are going to enter value like 300 price and with quantity suppose 10. So we can see that amount is automatically filled up. So that's by the formula as I have defined here. So that's a pretty simple formula that you can put, and also similarly you can put multiple, and also you can change as you want. Suppose you want to change the price to 100 and automatically it reflects here. Similar to that, you can also make further entries right here and you can make this correction. Here the formula is not expanded, so you have to just expand the formula like this, and similar to that you have to just give more entries as you like. So here also this formula has to be expanded. So this is a simple way of understanding the planning. So in other terms, suppose if you want to make the other column as input ready, meaning that you want to fix the price and you want to make the input ready for quantity and amount, so that also you can do. So how can you do that? So let me just remove this once, and this formula is removed. Now suppose this price field will be fixed, meaning that it's not input ready. So here in this case, so we are going to be having amount divided by quantity. So that's the formula of price. So here in the case, suppose I'm going to put amount as 100 and quantity suppose 5, and we can see this price is getting affected or reflected. Similar to that, we can change the quantity. Suppose I want to change the quantity as 50 and automatically this price is getting changed. So here in the case, the price field, this is not input ready column. The input ready column is amount and quantity. So same kind of logic you can implement when you are working on the workbook, and also if you are working on simple Excel and you are preparing a kind of a some kind of management report, so where you can actually build this kind of easy formula and you can actually get a nice output about this report. So that's all about this inverse formula, because it is about multiplying and is having a combination about this. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a nice day.